Advanced security team of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren was ambushed by unknown miscreants suspected to be armed militants. Chief Minister N. Biren strongly condemned the act, describing it as barbaric. The incident occurred this morning at 10:30 a.m. at the Laijang village along the Imphal Jiribam Road, National Highway 37, near Kotlin. During the attack, one security personnel, Moirangthim Ajay's 28, son of M. Siamjai from Thanga Ngaram in Moirang Assembly constituency, sustained a bullet injury to his right shoulder. Ajay was promptly admitted to Sija Hospital in Langol for medical treatment. Following the incident, a search operation is being conducted by combined team of Manipur Police Commando and Assam Rifles in the area where the attack took place. Chief Minister N. Biren was scheduled to visit Jiribam tomorrow to address the ongoing crisis in the area. The security team had departed from Imphal for Jiribam earlier this morning in preparation for the visit.
Condemn, and from my side, I strongly condemn such kind of barbaric action upon the innocent people.